Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up shipping and delivery to Shopify step by step. You will set up your shipping rates, local delivery, pickup options and even connect carriers. Let's get started. This is your main shipping dashboard. You will find everything: shipping rates, delivery methods, carrier settings and packaging. Let's start with shipping rates. Shopify makes it easy to set up rates for your country and for other places too. For example, I'll add a rate for Canada. Let's set express shipping to $21.09 and free standard option for other over $100. Then I'll add an international rate too. Now let's make a custom shipping profile. You can use this for special products like fragile or heavy items. Next, let's add custom rate. You can choose a flat price or make it free. Shopify can split shipping automatically. If products come from different places, your customers will see separate shipping options at checkout. If you deliver orders yourself, you can set up local delivery. Now I'll set free delivery within 10 kilometers. You can also add delivery apps to plan routes. Next is shipping to pickup points. This lets customers pick up their packages from carrier locations. Do you have a physical store? You can offer in-store pickup too. When customers pick up, Shopify can send them an email saying their order is ready. You can show delivery dates at checkout. This helps customers to know when to expect their order. To customize your delivery options, you can install apps from Shopify App Store. Now, let's set up your package sizes. Shopify uses this to calculate shipping costs. If you have your own shipping account like Canada Post, FedEx or UPS, you can connect it here. This lets Shopify use your live rate at checkout. Next, let's customize your shipping label. This is what shows on your package. You can also edit your packing slip. This is the paper that goes inside your package. You can change words, add your logo or thank your customer right in that code. If you work with another company that ship for you, you can add them here. When you get an order, Shopify will email it to them automatically. Now let's test it. Place a test order and check if all your shipping and delivery options appear correctly. And that's it. You have set up your full Shopify shipping system, from rates to carrier and fulfillment. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe and check out my next Shopify tutorial. See you in the next video. Till then, a peace.